Have you ever noticed how an old computer suddenly feels super fast after installing an SSD? Like, seriously. Same computer, same CPU, same RAM, but somehow it feels brand new. So, what exactly makes SSDs so fast? To understand this, we first need to look at the old technology, the HDD. And trust me, once you see how HDDs work, you'll instantly understand why SSDs feel like magic. HDD stands for hard disk drive. And inside an HDD, there's actually a spinning metal disk. Yep, a real spinning disk. It spins thousands of times every minute. And a tiny mechanical arm moves around trying to find your files. It's kind of like an old record player, but for computer data. Imagine your school notebook, and imagine someone asks you to find one specific sentence. You start flipping pages? Searching manually? That takes time. That's basically what an HDD does. It physically searches for data. And because physical movement is involved, it's slow. This is why old computers feel so painful sometimes. When your computer starts, the HDD has to search for Windows files, then app files, then background programs. And the little arm inside keeps moving again, and again, and again. So even if your CPU is decent, the storage becomes the bottleneck. Now, let's talk about SSDs. SSD means solid-state drive. And unlike HDDs, SSDs have no moving parts, no spinning disk, no mechanical arm, nothing moving at all. Instead, they use tiny memory chips, kind of like giant USB drives. Imagine instead of searching through a notebook, you instantly teleport to the exact page you need. That's how SSDs work. They access data almost instantly. No waiting, no spinning, no searching physically.